Hey, what's up? My name's Hayden Morris. I'm 20 years old and I'm from Young, New South Wales, Australia. I'm riding for the 51Fifty energy drink Yamaha team. I'm number 72 in the West Coast Supercross season.
My name is Zach Bell. I'm 21 years old. I'm from Cairo, Georgia, now living in Beaumont, California. My number is 65 this year on the 250 West Coast Series on my 51Fifty energy drink Yamaha.
This is my first year racing professional in Supercross in America and I'm very excited for it. My goals this year are just have fun, enjoy it and just progress as the season goes on.
I'm looking forward to a great season. We've got a great team, we've got a great program. We also have a really fast bike this year.
We've got a lot of great sponsors including 51Fifty energy drink,
Hot Cams, Twisted Development, Crankworks, and Vertex Pistons.
Yamaha, Yamalube, GYTR, and we're excited to be part of the Blue Group.